The cryptocurrency market is definitely getting the shakeup this morning as Gary Gensler and his mafia, the SEC, issue a Wells notice to Robinhood. Now, this doesn't mean anything on the surface, but we are going to dive into this article here and talk about it because the cryptocurrency market is reacting as Bitcoin, Ethereum, SHIB, Doge begin to hit some tops and look forward with caution. So let's discuss that. We're going to talk about a brand new pre-sale where you guys can earn some insane staking rewards. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay Bro, and we've got an interesting article on the screen right now. It says Robinhood Crypto gets Wells notice from the United States SEC. Now, I'm not a big proponent of the SEC here. Gary Gensler has obviously lost his mind, sending Wells notices, enforcement actions against anybody and everybody who says the word crypto because he wants to own the industry. Not because he wants to regulate the industry. He wants to own the industry. So let's see what's going on here. It says retail trading platform Robinhood Markets said on Monday its U.S. cryptocurrency trading arm received a Wells notice from the United States Securities and Exchange Commission on May 4th. Now, a Wells notice does not necessarily mean that the recipient has violated any law. The SEC issues Wells notice to firms when it is planning to bring enforcement action against them. What would they be enforcing if they haven't broken any laws? I don't understand. It says the SEC has adopted a tough stance towards the digital currency industry, especially after the high-profile collapse of now bankrupt FTX cryptocurrency exchange, and has contended that certain crypto tokens should be registered as securities. Which ones? Oh yeah, that's right. It doesn't say. What? Huh? Yeah, it doesn't answer any questions at all. It goes on to say that crypto firms have accused the regulator of overreach. Not just accusations of overreach, man. There's literally no counter argument to the overreach of the SEC. When they say you're violating laws, but we're not going to define the laws in which you are violating, that's an overreach. They've also warned that a hostile regulatory environment could prompt more crypto companies to move offshores, and only those little compliant good boys and girls will get to stay here. The ones who feed the mafia. Gary Gensler. Whatever. Call him whatever you want. We firmly believe, and I like the lawyer for Robinhood, we firmly believe that the assets listed on our platform are not securities, and we look forward to engaging with the SEC to make clear just how weak any case against Robinhood Crypto would be. Dan, you are the man. That's what he said in response to the Wells notice there. And you know who didn't respond to the Wells notice or comment? The SEC. Why? Because they're clowns? There's no other answer for that right there. Now, with all of the shakeup happening in the cryptocurrency space right now, pre-sales are earning a lot of money. Now, you guys might be more into the blue chips, right? You know what? Let me know what you guys are more into down in the comments below. Trying to gauge investor sentiment right here. Meme coins, however, should have a place in your portfolio. Should they be your entire portfolio? No, absolutely not. But meme coins during a bull market soar beyond any other measure. I don't care if you're talking about layer 1s, layer 2s, layer 3s, layer 0s. Meme coins always outperform the rest of the alts during the peak. Why? Because they are the riskiest of the risky assets. And when greed is in full force, when investors cannot get any greedier, they go towards meme coins because they offer the highest potential. Now, WienerAI has been selling out for, I believe it's a couple of weeks now, and they have raised $1.129 million. I'll be the first to admit this is selling out much slower than a lot of other pre-sales, but because of that, you guys are able to receive ridiculous staking income. So let's talk about that, but as I do, don't go out and Google WienerAI. If you do, you're going to see several scam websites pop up and so on. Make sure to use the official affiliate link that's in the description below. It is going to pull you up to the correct website. You're not going to have to worry about buying WienerAI. I own WienerAI, full disclosure, just so you guys know. I am excited about it, But look at these staking rewards, man. If you click on that link in the description below, it's going to pull you up this page right here. And if you guys are willing to get in and willing to stake, you are earning 825% annualized passive income. You do not have to worry about clicking any trade button whatsoever, and you're walking away with staking rewards of 825%. Now, please do be aware this pre-sale or this staking rate is dynamic, which means that as more people stake their WienerAI, this number is going to go down because you are splitting the same size pie with more people. And of course, if you slice that pie up into more pieces, each one has to get smaller and smaller. So take advantage of it early on if you guys are interested in earning this ridiculous passive income rate. I mean, this APY is insane. But beyond that, let's see a little bit about this meme coin. And it is a meme coin at the moment. You can go through and you can see that their marketing is very strong, first and foremost, right? Featuring Finbull, Bitcoinist, you've got News BTC, Crypto News, Inside Bitcoins, Techipedia, and so on. So these guys are doing very, very well at marketing here. But what is WienerAI? It says, despite the hilarious sausagey wienery exterior, WienerAI is the pinnacle of AI trading technology. With curly and predictive features, WienerAI is the trader's best friend. AI-enhanced trading. Okay, so they're going to be utilizing artificial intelligence to increase your trading capabilities. An AI interface that's instant, predictive, and noob-friendly. Dude, I mean, there's a lot of brand new traders in the game, and there especially will be brand new traders during the bull market. Those who never enter the crypto space will be willing to enter at an alarming rate. Seamless sausage swaps. Never miss a golden opportunity again. Zero fees. That's what everybody loves. And this maximum extractable value bot protection. Slap down. Oh my God, dude. I love their terminology, man. Never get front run by a mev bot again. I know that's going to be very, very nice for a lot of people. So you've got the predictive technology here. The tokenomics, if you guys are interested in that, 30% going to the pre-sale, 20% going to staking, 20% going to community rewards, 10% going to decentralized and centralized exchanges, and 20% going towards marketing, which is why you see these guys everywhere. And if you do have any additional questions, make sure, reach out, join their Telegram group, and so on. Just to show you how early you guys still are, they've got 6.3 thousand followers out on their X account. They are growing, and they're growing quickly out there, but you guys are still getting in on what would be the ground floor with WienerAI having sold out $1.1 million and still sitting on 800+% staking rewards. Let me know if you guys are interested down in the comments below, and until the next time, hope each and every one of you have an awesome day.